Hello there! Are you searching for natural ways to manage your rheumatoid arthritis comfortably from home? Look no further! Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic inflammatory disorder that often affects your hands, your wrists, and your knees, causing stiff and painful joints. In this video, I'll share several strategies you can implement at home to aid in the treatment of this disease and alleviate the associated pain and discomfort. Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1, we have the diet. Your diet doesn't just impact your overall health, it can also improve your specific medical conditions. According to a 2017 study, 25% of participants reported that their diet influenced in their rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. A research review from the same year suggested that a diet rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties might slow down rheumatoid arthritis progression and reduce joint damage. Recommended foods include raw or lightly cooked vegetables and fruits, as well as spices like turmeric and ginger, which are rich in antioxidants which help stabilize molecules called free radicals that can trigger inflammation and damage your cells, leading to the damage we see in rheumatoid arthritis. There's also fatty fish like salmon, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help control inflammation. It's crucial here for you to understand that there's a balance between omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, since a higher ratio of omega-6 compared to omega-3 is associated with increased chronic inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. It is important to eat foods that raise omega-3 so we get a better balance. Foods like the fatty fish I just talked about. There's also olive oil, which also should be used, and it can be used in place of other fats and oils. It contains oleocanthal, a compound that reduces inflammation and acts similarly to ibuprofen in alleviating pain. I also recommend reducing or avoiding processed foods with too much sugar. Number 2. Probiotic supplements. Probiotic beneficial bacteria found in foods like yogurt and kimchi can also be effective in treating rheumatoid arthritis. A 2014 study indicated that taking probiotic supplements daily for 8 weeks reduced disease activity and inflammation. Number 3. Fish oil supplements. Fish oil supplements rich in omega-3 fatty acids may help alleviate rheumatoid symptoms, such as we talked about. Because of the balance between omega-3 and omega-6, when you raise omega-3, you get this balance in a more anti-inflammatory state and you help with this disease. Two research reviews from 2018 have shown that these supplements can reduce rheumatoid arthritis disease activity and inflammation markers, potentially delaying the need for medication. Number 4. Evening primrose oil supplements. Plant oils like evening primrose oil, which contain gamma-linolenic acids, may reduce pain and stiffness associated with rheumatoid arthritis. A 2016 study found that a combination of evening primrose oil and fish oil reduced inflammation in the disease activity, making the people that were taking it feel much better. Number 5. Cold therapy. Apply an ice pack to inflamed joints to help ease the swelling. Cold can also help to numb the pain and relax the muscle spasms. A 2013 research review suggested that cryotherapy or cold therapy can reduce the pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Now we go into number 6. This one, just as the same one before, is not a supplement, but it's important anyway to make you feel better. These are the assistive devices. Devices such as splints, braces, and customized orthotics can help stabilize inflamed joints and improve mobility. Canes and crutches can also take some weight off your joints and make it easier for you to walk. These aids are particularly beneficial for maintaining independency and managing daily activities with less pain. Now we go into number 7, which are the creams, gels, and lotions. Topical treatments containing ingredients like capsaicin, salicylates, camphor, or menthol can provide temporary relief for joint pain. Current research indicates that these products may be effective in helping rheumatoid arthritis. And at the end of the day, they can help you reduce the amount of painkillers you're taking daily, or even replace the painkillers with the creams. Number 8. Lemongrass essential oil. Essential oils such as lemongrass have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit those with rheumatoid arthritis. A 2017 study suggested the potential for pain relief from applying lemongrass oil to the skin. This one is also a good alternative to taking painkillers. But here's the thing you need to remember: always dilute essential oils and conduct a patch test before the full application so you can see if you're allergic or not. Number 9. If you are overweight, consider losing some weight. Obesity can exacerbate rheumatoid arthritis symptoms by promoting inflammation and stressing your joints. Managing your diet with the help of a registered dietitian can support your weight loss, reduce inflammation, and improve your overall health. Now, if you want to live longer and better than ever, then consider subscribing to this channel. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and family. And remember that your like can help save lives. I loved having you here, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.